Welcome to Twins World, all about parenting. Today we are going to see the next session is respecting nature is needed for children. In the previous era or previous generation, respecting elders, teachers, and all the dignified people is well taught and the culture maintained all these things. But nowadays, if you see, the respect for others are drastically diminished. I'm no one to criticize anyone, but it is well seen that the respect in the younger generation has been reduced, but it is affecting the society very badly. If you speak about respecting the woman or respecting anyone in this world, this is very important even in the workplace, all the school setting, so that we can make a harmonious relationship. When we talk about children, we need to understand why children are not respecting. Respecting is something to be taught. So, it is not inculcated in a person. We need to tell our children that we need to respect them. Teach them why we need to respect them. They are bigger to us. They're old people, so we should get up when we see them, or whenever we ask them, can I please take, or excuse me. So this kind of manners can emphasize the words of our children so that it will be respectful. When we are respectful, the people on the opposite platform need to be respectful, because respect is something to be given and taken. It cannot be snatched from someone. We should learn to respect others irrespective of their occupation, education, or the socioeconomic status. These are not the things to respect a person. Learn to respect human beings, learn to respect animals, any living creatures, because everything in this earth deserves dignity. Now we will see why our children can be disrespectful. One thing, the emotion of anger can be much more, or our children can be overwhelmed with any kind of feelings, hurt, pain, anxiety. These things can make them disrespectful. So, as adults, we need to understand why they are disrespectful in their words or their actions. Another reason for children to be disrespectful is they are not thinking. Understand, we are mature. They are not mature. So that's the reason they are behaving like this. So it's our need to teach the children to be respectful. And if I and you want to teach them to be respectful, we should be respectful to the children while they speak or while they act. So one of the main things is we should listen to them when they want to speak to us, or when they tell that, Mama, Papa, I want to tell you something, you should say, yes, Bacha, you can talk to me, I am listening to you. So this way we can take a pause and listen. That is an act of respect what we can give to the children. Secondly, identify why the child is disrespectful. He or she may not be able to cope up with what she or he is undergoing, or the stress. So what we can do is we can teach them how to cope up or how to solve the problem what they are going through. As an adult, I need to understand that I am this big and he or she is this small. So I need to teach them to solve the problem so that he or she will not be overwhelmed with the feelings what they are going through. Now the important point, we need to understand that they are copying you because you are disrespectful while you're dealing with others, or they are copying some other influential people. So change my habit so that I can bring a respectful character so that my child can copy, or I can modulate or make some changes in the people around so they are surrounded by better people, so that respectful words and actions can come from their mouth. Use firm and kind discipline over punishment. The common findings you can see in parenting is, if someone is disrespecting, the parents or the elders will yell, is this the way you're going to behave them? That is not the way, you're insulting them. So what we can do is we can be firm and we can be assertive while we are correcting the child rather than punishing them by yelling or doing some corporal punishment. Value your kids' choices. I'm not telling that is a kind of response we should have every time, but when they come up with good choices, we can respect them. Sometimes we go wrong and accept we had gone wrong and say sorry to them, because we are teaching them when to say sorry and how to create a pacifying environment when things are going mess. So this way we are able to help them. Talk to them politely. It is not necessary that we need to be authoritative all the time. Most of the parents take granted their children. They can speak anything to them, they can beat them, they will do anything. But that is not the way. There are times when we did not have children, we prayed for children or we cried for children, we waited for our children to come. Now when the children has come, please do not take them for granted. Learn to respect them so that they will respect you back. Teach them manners and etiquettes in various scenarios that can come up in the society. This way we can teach them how we can be respectful, and more than that, if any conflicts come up, we can tell them how we can deal with the conflict peacefully and with respect to the person in the other category, so that no fights can occur. When you call the child, call them with respect. There is no need to call with some other adjective. Respectfully, we can call them with their name. And the next thing I would like to highlight is how to respond when a child becomes disrespectful. First thing, we need to realize why the child is disrespectful, and do not take it personally, because the child is not wanting to disturb your relation or disturb the thought process. So whatever is the thing they are doing, you should tell them how to respect others. When parents are talking, they come and talk in between. Tell them, when we talk, do not disturb. Wait for your turn. So this way we can tell them. And before punishment, we can tell them assertively how to deal in a better way so that this kind of response can be negotiated. So these are some of the ways we can teach our children to be respectful, because we are living in a society and respecting others play an important role even if we are growing bigger. Hope this topic is good and useful for you. Till we meet next week with another interesting topic. Goodbye.